Okay, you want to see the intervention results. So you've been adding interventions and taking that data. So you've logged in. Remember, that's up in the top right-hand corner. And you scroll down to find a list of your students. To find out how the interventions have been going, you will click on Intervention Status, and it will pull up the school year, and then you are going to be looking at interventions from the last assessment, which was our pre-test so far this year. And now you will see your interventions that have been given to this student. We started with a full physical prompt, which you see here. We had 3 and they were at 100%. Remember, if it is a full physical prompt, it should be a result of 100% on your intervention's percentage score, because it is the teacher that is actually doing hand over hand. This is called errorless teaching. So as soon as you reach 80% or greater on 3 consecutive data entries, then you are ready to progress to the next prompt level, which would be our partial physical. We are still on objective 1 because we are working our way through the prompt levels. If they can do it independently, that's a different story. This is for the student who is needing to use full physical. This will be for our students with the most severe disabilities. This is how you will go. One way you will show progress for them is diminishing how much of a prompt you are using. So we have our most intensive prompt at a full physical. We make 80% or greater for 3 consecutive data entries, then we move on to a partial physical. And we go through that. We have 60, 80, 100, and 100. So that right there is the mark of 3 times or greater at 80% or greater for 3 times consecutively. Then we're ready to move to the next least restrictive prompt, which is going to be a gesture. And you just keep going through each of the prompts, diminishing those till you get to independent. And then at independent, then you are going to be looking at the intervention score. Then you move from one objective to the next objective when you get 3 of these data entries at 80% or greater in the independent area. So this is for the most severe student who shows progress by diminishing the physical prompts.